Hi guys! Good morning! And let's eat breakfast. Ito lang breakfast today. Binangkalan. We find the grocery downstairs guys. Pecan pie. The small pecan pie. 120. 60. Look like $2.20. 25 cents. Something like that. $2.25. This pie. And we found green tea is in our yesterday. I think this one is 130. The green tea. McCoy taste green tea. Still have leftover in the fridge sweet potato. But I'm decided to eat this for breakfast. I don't know. We went to the SNR yesterday and renew our membership. We pay 700 pesos. The new SNR in Bacoor. And then if you go shopping over there, you need to pay the parking lot 40 pesos. Oh my goodness. But if you buy more than 500 pesos in that outlet is in our Bacoor, I think the parking lot is free. That is new in SR2. Imagine mo, you need to pay the membership and then every time you go shopping there, you need to pay the parking lot. Oh my goodness. I was there yesterday and then you people there go shopping guys. I don't know how to survive that store guy if you people go shopping the store. But if you're going to the other market like no membership, like SM, Robinson, or other name of the store, grocery store, no membership, Biripa. If you're going to the counter, long line. I don't know why they do no membership. Because usually people here don't like membership. They don't like. So that's why I think not good idea you put a membership. Because some people don't like pay the membership. The reason why, because not always shopping in that store, shopping another store. I think much better don't put the membership guys. So that's why people go there and shopping like that. I think much better idea than you put a membership. Because I noticed you people go shopping over there. That's my opinion. What's your opinion, guy? Let's drink. Hub in SR also in Amos. I was there 2 years ago and put my membership over there. But because the membership only 1 year expired na, so we renew our membership yesterday in SNR Bacoor. That is the new SNR in Cavite. I don't know how much SNR in Cavite, guys. So far I know 2 Green tea. It's fine. I try this because I like pecan pie in the US. This is good. 120 pesos. $2.25. lumay naman. Yaman. You put this downstairs, hub store over there downstairs. After this, dinangkal, we buy this 40 pesos. Look like 75 yen, 2 pieces. I know how to do this way. But we try their binangkal. What's that? Not bad. Fine. Good. Hi guys, we went to the Pure Gold way ago guys. Only 10 minutes walk from the condo to the Pure Gold. But the Pure Gold is more Pure Gold than this. So we buy something. Down. This one, because sometimes we write down something needed. This for the plate. Buy this one. Small. So I don't like the big one. And I found over there this one. Moringa 3 in 1 cookie. Moringa. And that's it, guys. And we spent for me that. How much? 368. 368. Let's eat good. Lunch today. Let's eat lunch today. Our lunch today is rice. Rice is nice. And of course, noodles. Let's eat them. We put moringa to our noodles. Become a healthy. A moringa guys. Look at that. Sarap siya kasi may moringa. Sarap higop sa bawga. Sarap higop sa bawga. Reason why we cook the moringa guys, because I don't like the moringa goes bad. And moringa is very healthy. Healthy to the body. May fountain. Ito yung the third swimming pool. Samba.